The PureSolve PSB40M is a mobile biological parts washer that seamlessly blends user safety, ease and convenience and efficient cleaning. It is a compact and ergonomic machine designed to be a close-to-hand parts washer that provides operators with accessibility and comfort while doing their job. What you'll need: PureSolve PSB40M, water-based cleaning liquid. The PureSolve PSB40M is simple and easy to use. Move the PureSolve PSB40M close to the equipment or part to be cleaned. Lock the wheel into place. Plug the machine into your power source. Pour the water-based solution into the machine's tank. Turn the machine on to start heating the solution. Once the solution is sufficiently heated, you can start cleaning the part. For cleaning heavily soiled parts, first place the drain cover on top of the drain, so the solution will be collected in the soaking area. Soak the part in the soaking area. Most of the soiling will be removed during the soaking. Use the handheld brush to remove any remaining stuck-on grease, grime and oils. Use the low-pressure blower to air dry the part. With the help of the 50-micron filter, the water-based solution can be restored and reused. If the machine is being left unused for an extended period of time, turn the power off and unplug the parts washer. Remove the top part of the PureSolve PSB40M, then remove the cap from the integrated pouring spout. Place a funnel on the solution container. Use the handle grip to pick up the bottom part of the parts washer and pour the solution back into the container for reuse. Put back the top part of the parts washer. Move the PureSolve PSB40M back into its storage space. For more information on the PureSolve PSB40M, contact us at 1800 777 580 or sales@envirofluid.com.